Hey everyone! Are you getting the error message "Purchase failed, something went wrong" when trying to buy Robux on your Android? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this Roblox purchase error. Let's get started. First, make sure your connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and off. Restart your router if needed. Then try purchasing again. Solution 1. Check Google Play payment method. Roblox purchases Android go through Google Play. Make sure your card is valid and you have enough balance. To check, open Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture at the top right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions. Tap Payment Methods. Update or add a new payment method if needed. Solution 2. Clear Google Play cache. If the issue continues, go to Settings on your phone. Then tap Apps. Next, tap See All Apps. After that, select Google Play Store and tap Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. Restart your phone and try again. Solution 3. Clear Roblox cache. Sometimes the app glitches. Go to Settings on your phone, then tap Apps. Next, tap See All Apps. Find Roblox and tap it. Now tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data unless necessary. Restart the app and try again. Solution 4. Update Roblox. An outdated app can cause payment errors. Open Google Play Store. Search for Roblox. Tap Update if available. After updating, then check if it works. If this video helped you, like and subscribe, comment your exact message below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.